Digital Innovators, Unlocking Potential.
Hi, I'm Isabella and I'm part of the Generator team.
Hi, my name is Samuel. I am Project Manager from Generator.
Hi, my name is Reece Hayward and I was part of the Touchwood project.
My greatest strengths before joining this program would be time management and attention to detail. Now that I had time to develop both of these, I think I'm pretty good at overall task management for the whole team.
I believe that my greatest strength before would be my leadership skills, but now I've gained proper project management skills and I believe that this strength would aid me in the future.
The lesson that I'm taking away from the programme is that I've improved my project management skills and presentation skills.
As someone who's been through the full course, it leaves you with plenty of new skills and refines those you may already have. And put simply, it is extremely rewarding by the end.
Innovative, ambitious and unique.
Challenging, inventive and hands-on.
Interesting, challenging and teamwork.
Unique, independent and rewarding.